Hey guys, I'm just gonna share this. A couple guys have asked me to do the video on this. I've done it in person for plenty of folks. This is our 357 armor plate line. With this grease is a non-melt bentone base. Basically, it has an acid neutralizer, and this is sulfuric acid to kind of understand what we're doing here. So we put this down here. This grease is smooth, buttery, very tacky, can handle a lot of heat considering it's a non-melt. That means it's not going to drip down all over all your equipment. So we're going to take that same acid, 1, 2, 3. We're just basically going to recreate grease getting cooked. You can see it starting to turn brown and oxidize. When it starts to get a little warm in your hand, the reason why is because heat plus oil and condensation start to form this organic or sulfuric acids. So now we've got our grease pretty well cooked. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's pretty brown. If you take sulfuric acid and mix it with water, oh, as you can see here, it's starting to eat the paper up. So if you mix it with water, it creates one heck of a nasty smell. And I am in the garage. But when we get water, a lot of times grease, the soaps and things like that in the grease, well, the water will cause it to fall apart also. Now, we've cleaned our grease back up. Oh, we still got some more. We broke it down, and it's still going to give you the lubrication you need. It's not going to fall off. It's going to keep your kingpins in great shape. It's going to keep your kingpin from getting caked up. And it's going to give you an overall better performance. I better neutralize this before it gets out of hand. But with everything they're putting on the roads today, salt, brine, sodium chloride, calcium chloride, this stuff is extremely beneficial for the driveline, the fifth wheel, any type of agribusiness. I've got customers that say that work in some crazy industries, and they say that it's acid proof. We can't say that because it's technically not, but the resistance is amazing. If you guys have any questions, comment below or check out our Facebook page, PrimroseOilFortWayne.com, or Primrose Oil Fort Wayne Facebook, excuse me. All right, look forward to hearing back from you.